Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Aave, the decentralized platform revolutionizing crypto lending and borrowing. Aave allows you to lend your cryptocurrency to earn interest or borrow against your digital assets with ease.to start. Aave offers a user-friendly interface accessible directly from its website. After connecting your wallet, you can explore various markets, such as Ethereum or Polygon. These markets provide a selection of supported assets, each with dynamic interest rates displayed in real time. Whether you want to lend or borrow, Aave provides detailed information about annual percentage yields, APY, for both lenders and borrowers. Once on the platform, navigate to the Deposit section. Select the asset you want to lend from the supported list. For example, if you hold USDT, depositing it into Aave's liquidity pool allows you to start earning interest immediately. After depositing, you'll receive A tokens, which represent your share of the liquidity pool and automatically accrue interest. You can withdraw your funds along with the interest at any time. If you're interested in borrowing, head to the Borrow section. Choose an asset and specify the amount you wish to borrow. Aave allows you to set a variable or stable interest rate, depending on your preference. Remember to maintain sufficient collateral to avoid liquidation. A standout feature of Aave is the ability to switch between variable and stable rates for borrowed assets, providing flexibility based on market conditions. Additionally, Aave's flash loans offer advanced users opportunities for arbitrage, refinancing, or liquidation without needing upfront capital. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Aave platform, it's easy. Just deposit your USDT into Aave's liquidity pools and start earning competitive interest rates. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To secure your funds, Aave integrates robust security protocols and operates as a non-custodial platform, meaning you maintain control over your assets at all times. It's a reliable choice for those venturing into decentralized finance. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth crypto guides and tutorials. Don't forget to like this video to support our content.